You do not have to pay full price at the register when one of these tricks pays off. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Inflation's causing the prices for just about everything to skyrocket. These money-saving apps can help you at the checkout. Here are my favorite price comparison tools. Check this out. BuyVia compares prices from top stores like Amazon, Best Buy, Target, and more. You can find the best price online and inside local stores. Plus, it's got a QR code and barcode scanner so you can find items to search real easily. Another app called Flip lets you find savings on groceries, furniture, and more. It's got weekly ads with deals so you can use it at local stores. You can add stores to your favorites so that you never miss a sale on an item you love. Shop Savvy is an app that specifically focuses in on QR code scanning. When you're out shopping, you can scan any barcode on any item by pointing your phone's camera at it. The app's going to tell you about every nearby retailer carrying the same item so you know where to score the lowest price. Love that. Amazon Shopping, one of the most popular retailers online. So here's another way though to use the Amazon app when you're in a store to compare prices. Sure, you can use a search bar and type in the item, but better yet, you can take a photo of the item or scan the barcode by tapping this little camera icon on the right side of the Amazon search field. Finally, Capital One Shopping doesn't require you to bank with Capital One, and it's free for everyone. So earn rewards while shopping on this app and find coupons to all your favorite stores. To learn more about saving money using apps, head to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.